What happens when a 54-year-old out-of-shape man tries to do push-ups for 30 days in a row? Well, let's find out. It's a new year, and last year's riding season was...
That wasn't what I wanted to do.
Damn you. Well, a disappointment. I can only blame myself.
Fat, drunk, and stupid is no way to go through life, son.
Not enough exercise and too much good food left this 54-year-old body the heaviest it's ever been. Something has to change. To try and kick next season off to a stronger start, I wanted to get an early jump. The first thing I wanted to work on was building upper body strength because, as it turns out, I don't have any. I gave myself a challenge to do push-ups every day for a month and track my progress. Yeah, I was expecting after 30 days to be able to bang out 50 or more push-ups. Well, like most of my videos, what I expect to happen usually isn't what turns out happening. And this experiment is no different. Which doesn't necessarily mean it was a failure. In fact, far from it. So let's start at the beginning. And the beginning was... embarrassing. I could barely do one legitimate push-up. Pretty pathetic. So I went to the next best thing, doing push-ups from the bench. There I could squeeze out 10 to 15, but after that, I was done. From there I stayed, doing what I could to build strength. After a week or so, I dropped to the floor and lo and behold, I could get 10. Woohoo! Watch out, world. But it's okay. It's progress. I'm on my way. The ball is rolling. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take over the... I'm gonna get COVID.
Coronavirus.
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 Death virus.
Coronavirus.
The coronavirus. Like the flu.
Kung flu.
After managing to escape the plague for 3 years, doing my part with all the vaccination stuff, my number finally came up. Luckily, the symptoms were relatively mild, all things considered, but it did derail my workout routine for almost 2 weeks. By the time I got back to exercise, the month was nearly over. Challenge busted. But this story actually has a happy ending for now. You see, that simple challenge has inspired me to continue on in more ways. I've now incorporated more exercise routines into my week. I've adjusted my diet, and I'm seeing progress. And even with the temporary setback with COVID, I've noticed that I've made a considerable improvement. The push-ups come a lot easier now. I can do more sets of them, and I can actually include other exercises in addition to the push-ups as well. I couldn't do that at the beginning of the month. Riding season for me won't probably begin until late March, early April, because frankly, I'm too lazy to get up for all the freeze-thaw stuff during the winter months. But in the meantime, I've started some other challenges and have some more planned before spring. If I stick with them, I'll be sure to share my progress and hopefully inspire those who, like me, struggle to stay in shape and need a goal to work towards. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. If not, that's cool too. But in the meantime, stay young and ride safe.